Today, we're going to delve deep into the wisdom of our predecessors with Grandma's Economic Survival Kit. We've got 15 unusual yet highly effective money-saving skills passed down from our grandparents that could be game changers for our modern financial lives. Excited? So are we. Let's get going. Tip 1. Make your own laundry soap. Have you ever stopped to think about how much you spend on laundry detergent annually? The sum might surprise you. To help save, why not make your own laundry soap? It's not as complicated as you may think. In the past, our grandparents often used soap flakes, borax, and washing soda to create their own homemade mixture. It's effective, eco-friendly, and an excellent way to stretch your budget. Tip 2. Hand make your own rugs. Rather than buying new rugs, consider making your own, just like Grandma used to do. All you need are some old clothing or fabric scraps. It's a fabulous way to upcycle items you no longer need and add a personal touch to your home decor. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you feel each time you look at your handmade rug is priceless. Tip 3. Use rainwater. Before water bills were a thing, people often used rainwater for various household chores. By setting up a simple rain barrel system, you can collect and use rainwater for things like watering plants or washing your car. It's a sustainable, cost-effective solution that can save you a noticeable amount on your water bill. Tip 4. Turn old clothing into quilts. Your worn-out clothes still have plenty of life left in them if you think creatively. One excellent idea is to turn them into quilts, just like our grandparents used to. It's a fun project, reduces waste, and creates beautiful keepsakes for your family. Tip 5. Make your own candles. Store-bought candles can be pretty pricey, especially if you're a fan of having them around your house. Consider making your own, using leftover wax from old candles. Not only will you save some cash, but you can also create your own scents and styles, making them perfect for gifting. Tip 6. Use wood ash for cleaning. Next time you have a wood-burning fire, don't throw away the ash. It has a multitude of uses, one of which is as a cleaning agent, especially for silverware. So before you buy expensive cleaning products, give wood ash a try. Tip 7. Homemade fertilizer. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Give your plants the best and make your own fertilizer. Using kitchen scraps and yard waste, you can create nutrient-rich compost. Your garden will thrive and you'll save money on store-bought fertilizers. Tip 8. Homemade insecticides. Insects causing you trouble. Make your own insecticides. A simple mixture of ingredients like garlic, cayenne pepper, or dish soap mixed with water can effectively deter pests. It's cheaper, safer for your family, and kinder to the environment. Tip 9. Use soap to the last sliver. When it comes to frugality, our grandparents knew a thing or two. They never wasted anything, even soap slivers. Instead of throwing them away, they'd save them up and make a new bar of soap. Not only does this save you money, but it also promotes a zero-waste lifestyle. Tip 10. Brew your own tea. Is tea your beverage of choice? Try growing your own herbs like chamomile, mint, or lemon balm and brewing your own tea. It's a fantastic money saver, and nothing beats the taste of fresh, homegrown tea. Tip 11. DIY shoe polish. Keep your shoes looking brand new with a homemade shoe polish. A little olive oil or beeswax goes a long way. It's an inexpensive, natural alternative that leaves your shoes looking shiny and well cared for. Tip 12. Handcrafted decorations. Decorating your home doesn't have to break the bank. Instead of buying new decorations, consider crafting your own. They add a personal touch and make your decor truly unique. Tip 13. Make your own vinegar. Leftover fruit scraps can make excellent homemade vinegar. It's a great way to reduce waste, save money, and have high-quality, preservative-free vinegar for cooking and salads. Tip 14. Turn old furniture into new pieces. Upcycling furniture was a common practice in the past. With a fresh coat of paint or some new upholstery, you can turn old, drab furniture into something new and exciting, saving you money on expensive new pieces. Tip 15. Make your own skincare products. Store-bought skincare products can be costly. Why not make your own natural skincare products from household items like honey, oats, and yogurt? It's a fun, healthy, and affordable way to pamper your skin. We hope these tips add value to your financial journey and help you cultivate a more economical lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel